Hello and welcome to Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to change the front axle in a 1997 to 2004 Volkswagen Golf. First thing we're going to need to do is remove the wheel. Next, we're going to need to remove the axle bolt. Next, we're going to need to unbolt the lower A-arm. Then we can pry the lower A-arm down and let the brake assembly free. Next, we're going to need to unbolt the other side of the axle from the differential. With the axle unbolted from both sides, we can go ahead and remove it. Next, we're going to compare our old axle with our new axle and make sure that they're identical. It's okay if they're different thicknesses. What you're looking for is grooves and ribs in the same place as on the old one as on the new one. Then just replace the axle. Bolt the new axle in where you remove the old one into the differential. Next, we're going to maneuver the rotor assembly onto the new axle and then re-bolt in the lower A-arm. Next, we're going to replace the axle bolt. And finally, we're going to replace the tire. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit 2carpros.com.